If you are facing an overheating issue on your PC, then come let's fix with me. First go to the control panel. Then go to the power options. In the power option, click on change plan settings. On that, click on change advanced plan settings. Here, scroll down below to the processor power management. On that, click on minimum processor state and change it to 85%. As well as go to the maximum processor state and change it to also 85%. After changing this, please apply and click OK to this. After that, please restart your PC. Comment down if you see the results.